The Forgotten Letter. In a small town surrounded by dense forests, there was an old abandoned mansion that was said to be haunted. Many locals avoided the mansion at all costs, but one daring young girl named Emma was curious to explore its secrets. One day, while wandering around the mansion's overgrown garden, Emma stumbled upon a hidden cellar door. With trembling hands, she put it open and descended into the darkness below. As her eyes adjusted to the dim light, she saw a dusty desk with a single letter lying on top. The letter was addressed to someone named Emilia and spoke of a long lost treasure hidden within the mansion's walls. It detailed cryptic clues and instructions on how to find it. Emma's heart raced with excitement as she realized she had stumbled upon a mystery waiting to be solved. Determined to uncover the truth, Emma set out to decipher the clues and explore the mansion's hidden rooms. Each room held more secrets and challenges, testing her courage and wit. As she neared the final clue, a ghostly figure appeared before her, warning her to turn back. Ignoring the apparition, Emma pressed on and finally found the hidden chamber where the treasure was hidden. With trembling hands, she uncovered a chest filled with jewels and precious artifacts. The mystery of the mansion was finally solved, and Emma's bravery and determination had prevailed. Vocabulary words from the story: abandoned, adjective, left empty or unoccupied, deserted. Haunted, adjective, visited or inhabited by ghosts or spirits having a lingering disturbing effect. Descended, verb, moved or passed from a higher to a lower place, came down. Cryptic, adjective, mysterious or puzzling, having a hidden or obscure meaning. Apparition, noun, a ghostly figure or supernatural appearance, a sudden or unusual sight. Bravery, noun, the quality or state of being brave, courageous behavior or character. I hope these definitions help you understand the vocabulary words better. Let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to learn more about any other words. Thank you.